Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Secret & Scents, and this is their Juicy Peach Soy Wax Tarts. You can see the ring is right there. Should probably only take a few minutes to melt enough that I can take the ring out of the cube. I just got a big whiff of the smell of this. It smells really good. It smells just like peaches. So I will go ahead and put that on my warmer, and I will be back to show you what's inside. Even though this has only been on the warmer a few minutes, it has a really good peach smell. I could tell if I let it on there until it fully melted, it would probably have a pretty strong scent throw. Let's see what's inside. With this company, you do not get... Ooh, I got a gold one. I don't think I've gotten one like that from this company. You don't get an appraisal code. They only give you a code or a piece of paper if it's valued over $100 or $150. I can never remember which one it is. But all the other ones I've gotten were silver band. This one is more of a rose gold color. Ooh, I really like this. There are 3 diamond-like stones on the side and then 3 larger ones on top. Very pretty. Possibly my favorite ring I've gotten so far from Secret & Scents. And they have all sorts of products. They have candles, wax tarts. They even sell like essential oils and some other items. So I will link them below in case you want to check them out. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.